Introducing MyBar. MyBar delivers perfectly balanced, bar-quality drinks at the push of a button. Discover new drinks. Use your favorite spirits and fresh mixers. Connect up to 9 ingredients simultaneously and program your own signature cocktails into the app. No overpriced artificial flavor capsules required. High-precision peristaltic pumps deliver professional-level accuracy with every pour. Each line is completely independent, ensuring zero cross-contamination between ingredients. At the heart of MyBar is a custom PCB powered by an ESP32 microcontroller. High-quality JST connectors make the wiring process seamless and secure. To prevent accidental spills, an integrated proximity sensor verifies glass placement before dispensing and halts the pour if the glass is removed. Paired with LED feedback, you remain in full control, even in low-light environments. An optional pipe organizer keeps your setup clean and tidy when the machine is not in use. Assembly is effortless. Designed like a construction kit, MyBar requires no soldering. Spend one evening building your machine and enjoy a lifetime of precision-crafted drinks to share. Back the project on MakerWorld to access the 3D printable enclosure files. Your support allows us to develop high-end engineering projects at a cost that makes them accessible to everyone. Thank you for making this possible. Build yours!